some acupressure points you can do to help open up the chest and help open up the breathing. They're really simple, and you can actually use them to help yourself calm down and relax, so particularly if you're feeling a bit stressed. So the traditional point that can be used to help what we would say the kidney grasp the lung chi, which is a nice way of saying make the diaphragm work better. It's a point called kidney 7. So it's about 3-ish fingers above that bone and just a little bit out. You're going to find a nice tender spot. Make sure you massage that area, and then as that starts to relax, you should even start to feel a little bit of more movement in your diaphragm. So if you're breathing while you're doing it, you should start to find that your belly moves more, and you can get deeper and deeper into that lower abdomen. So if you're stressed and you're like running like on adrenaline, typically we'll breathe up in the chest. So by just simply massaging that and having some nice long slow breaths, you should start to calm down. Once your diaphragm's starting to move better and you can move freer into there, then you can see if we can open up the chest a little bit. So the classic points for those two is triple energizer 5, which is about 4 fingers in between those two bones. And you're going to find that and you're going to massage that. For Chinese medicine, that helps open up the little intercostals, the muscles in between the ribs, helps take a feeling of heaviness off the chest. And once again, find that tight spot, massage it through, and as you're doing it, breathe in nice and deeply and slowly. If you can, in through the nose and out through the nose. That's going to help open up your sinuses, and it slightly like moistens the air. It helps you kind of absorb it better, like helps absorb the oxygen better. And if you want to try and relax at the end of the day, if you do some box breathing, which is essentially, it's a bit hard to do, talk and breathe at the same time, but you breathe in for a count of, we'll say start with 3, hold for 3, and then breathe out for 3, hold for 3, and then breathing in again for 3. It forces your breath to slow down, helps the heart rate calm down, helps the mind calm down. If you can do 3 comfortably, 1, 2, 3, then you move to 4, then to 5, and you should start to calm down. So if you're doing that while you're massaging through there, help the diaphragm open up, help the chest open up, you'll slow down your breathing and you'll feel a lot better. If you're trying to get ready for bed, this is a great thing that you can also do to help yourself calm down. But we're going to add in another special Chinese medicine point to help with stress. So I'm getting ready for bed. I'm doing my box breathing. You can just do the box breathing laying down. But before you get into bed, you can also massage your spot here. This is called liver 3. It's one of the greatest points we've got in the body to help us relieve stress. And I'm just going to be breathing in, breathing out, massaging my kidney 7. If you're not too sure where it is, you can just use a few fingers, but you should start to feel it easier through there and then moving through there. If you can, start with one side and then move to the other. And then if you're trying to prepare for sleep, after you've done that, it only takes a minute or 2, then you can lay down and you continue that nice, slow breathing, and you should find that the mind starts to ease and relax as well, and you feel even better.